Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to customize and how to change lock screen notifications in Realme 14 Pro phone. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to go to notifications and quick settings. And here we have the lock screen option. So we can enable or disable all notifications, or we can pick and choose whichever we want from the list below. For example, if we want our Google to not show the notifications on the lock screen, we simply can uncheck this option right here, and we can pretty much pick and choose whatever we want from this list. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.